This everyday object can save you an astonishing 30% of battery life. Imagine you're in a meeting and your phone suddenly runs out of battery. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a productivity killer. But what if I told you there's a simple trick to avoid this scenario? It all starts with the humble cup. Yes, the cup, a ubiquitous object found in most offices and homes. However, its significance goes beyond just holding liquids. The cup is also a game changer when it comes to phone battery life. By utilizing the cup as a makeshift stand, you can position your phone for optimal charging. This clever hack ensures that your phone's charging pins are always aligned with the charging port.
As a result, you'll see a significant reduction in charging time.
In fact, studies have shown that this technique can save up to 30% of battery life. But that's not the only benefit of using a cup as a phone stand. It also helps to prevent overheating, which can be a major concern when charging your phone. Overheating can cause your phone's battery to degrade faster, leading to a shorter lifespan. So, the next time you're charging your phone, consider using a cup as a stand. It's a simple trick that can make a big difference in your phone's performance. But before we dive deeper into the world of phone charging hacks, let's explore the science behind it. You see, the key to efficient charging lies in the concept of electromagnetic induction. This phenomenon occurs when an electrical current flows through a conductor, such as a wire or a metal object. When a charger is plugged into a socket, it generates a magnetic field that induces an electrical current in the phone's charging port. However, if the charging pins are not aligned with the port, the current flows inefficiently, leading to slower charging times. That's where the cup comes in. It helps to keep the charging pins aligned, ensuring a smooth flow of electricity. But that's not the strangest part. What happens when you combine this hack with a few other techniques? The result is a charging system that's up to 50% more efficient than traditional methods. But wait until you hear what comes next. There's a way to take this hack to the next level. By using a specialized phone stand with built-in charging technology, you can charge your phone up to 70% faster. This revolutionary technology uses advanced algorithms to optimize charging times, ensuring that your phone is always ready to go. And then something unexpected happened. A group of scientists discovered a way to integrate this technology into everyday objects. They created a line of smart cups that not only charge your phone faster, but also track your hydration levels and remind you to drink more water. This innovative product has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's explore the impact of this technology on our daily lives. Imagine being able to charge your phone anywhere, anytime, without worrying about running out of battery. This would be a game changer for people who work remotely or travel frequently. It would also have a significant impact on the environment, as people would be less likely to use disposable batteries or chargers. However, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider. For example, the increased efficiency of charging could lead to a decrease in the lifespan of phone batteries. Additionally, the integration of advanced technology into everyday objects could raise concerns about data security and privacy. So, what's the verdict on this revolutionary technology? Is it a game changer or a recipe for disaster? The answer lies in the details, and the details are what make this technology so fascinating.
By combining the power of science and creativity, we can create a brighter, more efficient future for all. And that's exactly what this technology promises to deliver, a future where our devices are always charged and ready to go.
Technology promises to if you deliver ready to experience the future of charging today. Keep watching, we've got a lot more to explore. And if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.